and I'm responding to I think the concern that was raised, is not to demonstrate that the circumstances were that it was not possible to hold a sitting. Our position is that there was a sitting of the Assembly. However, due to the violence and the disruption, and I don't want to go to affidavits, Honorable Speaker, because that's a matter of evidence, as Senator Mtata submits. The circumstances after that sitting were that the Hansard report was vandalized, and that is why, Honorable Speaker, as we came to Senate and as we exchanged documents, the answer that was filed was not a recording of the actual sitting of the Assembly. The answer was vandalized after the sitting. So, Honorable Speaker, with your leave, if the Assembly can be allowed to, that audio recording...
Honorable Senators, kindly view the recording and make a decision at a time when you're supposed to make your decision. Proceed.
Jigi in the boardroom, hakuna kitu ndani boardroom. Boardroom imesafirishwa.
And also video number 9 that shows the office of the clerk.
The clerk, anaiko sawa. The clerk, anaiko sawa.
Those are the two videos, Honorable Speaker. My final comment on that issue, Honorable Speaker, is that this violence and mayhem at the Assembly was perpetrated by the governor. We will be calling witnesses and lead them in evidence in support of that submission. And, Honorable Speaker, it cannot be that the governor perpetrates such violence and ultimately is the beneficiary of his own violence. He cannot benefit from his own mischief, Honorable Speaker. That is the entire point we are making, and that was the importance of showing those two videos. And finally, Honorable Speaker, can I get directions on whether the audio Hansard can be filed with the office of the clerk? The Speaker just availed it to me.
Absolutely. It will be considered when making the decision on this preliminary matter.
I'm most obliged, Honorable Speaker.
Counsel for the Governor, you may proceed. You have 15 minutes to make your rebuttal.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. May I have a sight of my time? I will take 7 minutes, and my learned colleague, Mr. Theuri, will take 8 minutes. For the record,